today I'm going to eat poop candies, this one, and I'm going to eat sour flush. So first I'm going to try the sour flush. So there is two lollipop in each one, and these are called Plungers. And there's this, a toilet, and let's open it. Look what's inside, guys. I think first you have to lick this. Okay, let's try it. Guys, it tastes like a grape. It's sour, but it's not too sour. It's kind of sour. Guys, it tastes like grapes. The powder is sour, but I love sour. I don't love sour, but I like sour. Okay guys, now I'll try the poop. Ew. So let's open it. But guys, can I show you something first? Look, it can stick the tongue out. What? It has a shape like the poop. The poop shape. Look, it's a poop shape, guys. It's hard, but do you know what? I can dip it. Whoa, look. Be careful your teeth, guys. It's hard. Guys, look. It can make the tongue stick. Ah! That's so funny. Look. See? Let's try this again. I like it. It's like a sour grape, guys. I like everything, and this looks like this toy looks like ill, but it's so cute. Look, so cute. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.